Hi there, good day. My name is Ifeanyi. I am a freelancer from Nigeria and I'm really excited about this job posting. I decided to make this quick video to talk about the job or the project and my understanding of it, and also to share a little bit about myself and what I can do for you. Alright, so I've broken it down into three steps: elements of a good product description, what hospitality industry copywriting entails, and what I can do for you, plus a little bit about my experience. Alright, so I've been writing for a while now, and one principle that I know applies to product descriptions is to, when you're trying to get people to do stuff, it should be about how it benefits them. So I think the same can apply to product descriptions, in that it has to be benefit focused. So the readers or the users know what's in for them, because that's the reason why they are searching in the first place. And it also has to be persuasive. Perhaps you need to make some persuasions or some recommendations, or there's an underlying action that the copy is seeking to bring to pass. So it has to be persuasive and act and encourage the readers to take a desired action. And it also has to be factual. You don't have to lie, you don't have to embellish or claim, exaggerate. It has to be factual. It has to be what it's on the ground, so that when the person who is making use of that information actually uses it, it is of some benefit to them. Okay, so even taking it down to the nitty gritty, hospitality industry copywriting. I have worked in hospitality for a while, and the chief motto or the mantra is always the customer first. The customer is the king. So if we take that same logic and apply it to description writing, the customer or the guest should be the king, and it should be about what they need. And also there has to be a focus on benefits, like I mentioned earlier, and and not features. Mention features by all means, but the features should be setting up how the benefits work. And also, because hospitality is about care, is about uh, showing people love away from home, or it's about taking care of people. So the tone has to be emotive language that will engage the senses, especially in the context of this particular project. It's all really exciting. I have done some research about these things, and also uh, the type of work I do at the moment puts me in a position whereby I have to take into account the needs of people and then speak to them according to their needs. And so far, so good. I've been getting some nice recommendations from my bosses. I'd like to show you something quickly. Bear with me for a second. Alright, so I work with a jewelry sales company, and this is what we do primarily. Let me show you feedback from my supervisor. Okay, alright, so I want to know your secrets. Keep this up, and I foresee nothing but good things for you in the coming months. You're awesome. That put lots of smile in my face. It made me happy, and so in my copy or in the work I do, I am always focused on making sure that the people I am speaking to or the people I am writing for, I am able to connect with them at a very deep level. Okay, so moving on, what I can do for you. I will write highly relatable and informative copy which resonates with users. I can quickly come up to speed with the in-house style guide. It would take some study, but I am not afraid of hard work. I commit to around 1,000 words or 80 guides per week. And also, as I go, I know brevity is important. I know it's going to be very important since you mentioned that this project will be around 100 words per description. That's not plenty room to be verbose. So I'm going to try and master the art of brevity. I trust you already have resources for this. And then error-free work. If you had some time, you could let me not take your time much. So please pause here and then look at my experience. And I'd like to remind you I am a natural born hustler and I am hungry for work and for success. I want to make my mark. So thank you for your time. Talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.